In this video, I'm going to be giving you my SweetMeet dating app review. Is it safe to use or not? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, SweetMeet is a dating app that advertises itself as a platform for genuine connections, combining chat, video, and social features. The app aims to stand out, offering video calls, virtual gifts, interest-based matches, and a more dynamic, media-rich experience than plain text-based dating. When assessing safety, SweetMeet has strengths. It often requires users to verify their identity via photo checks or social account linkages, which helps reduce fake profiles and even scams. The presence of blocking, reporting, and moderation tools give users mechanisms to protect themselves because video features are built in. You can verify a person's voice or face before deciding to meet, which reduces risk compared to purely text-based platforms. That said, no dating app is perfectly safe, though. Users should remain vigilant. Some premium or paid features may expose your profile more broadly, increasing your visibility and risk of unwanted attention. There's always a chance of encountering people misrepresenting themselves or using fake profiles despite verification efforts. Another concern is how the app handles data privacy, how users' information is stored, who has access to location or even images, and whether parties get right to your contacts. Reading the privacy policy and ensuring the app has secure encryption is important. Any app with video and chat features is a high risk factor for data leaks or misuse if not properly managed. Now, SweetMeet appears to include many standard safeguards: verification, blocking, reporting, and built-in video, which are good signs for users' safety, but it's not risk-free. As always, treat profiles with caution, verify users before meeting, avoid sharing sensitive personal information too early, and use the app's security tools.